Hello traders, how are you all? So as I promised you, I'm back with my daily video analysis of my trade and tip of the day. So let's start. So today SGX Nifty made a flat opening, but after that it came down with a lot of bearish candles and then consolidated for some time and suddenly gave a very bullish trend. But at the opening, based on the SGX Nifty bearishness, both the Nifty and the Bank Nifty opened gap down today. So the market opened gap down, and the banks and the financial services are very weak. But due to my analysis, I think the sentiment of the market is a bit positive, besides increasing of the COVID cases. So let's wait and watch what happens today. So I trade in Zerodha Demat account, and I have selected some of the strike prices of Nifty and Bank Nifty, both CE and PEs, and I'm still waiting for the chance of entry. Still, I could not find any high probability trade. The time is 12:20, and I'm still waiting patiently for my entry. So now I'll be taking you to the page of my trading view, how I do the setup in my trading view, using which indicator I do the setup. So let's go to my trading view page. So as this is my first trading review video, I'll be just explaining you about the indicator which I use in my trading view app. The indicator which I use is CPR by KGS, and I use exponential moving average lines also, 20 EMA line and 8 EMA line. And the blue lines which you see is my CPR central pivot range, and the green lines you see is my resistance 1 and resistance 2, and the red lines which you see are my support 1, support 2 and support 3, and in between where you see the black lines are my previous day high and previous day low, and the dotted red and blue lines are my weekly resistance, weekly pivots, monthly supports, etc. So today, according to my analysis as of now, I am just waiting to take an entry for two types of trades. So in Nifty, if it breaks this PDL line, I'm going to take an entry on long side and keep my target till CPR. That is one of my vision of a trade in Nifty. And in Bank Nifty, if the candle breaks the first candle low, I'm going to go short. So let's wait which entry should I take. So finally at 1:15 I got my entry in Bank Nifty. I have taken the strike price of 32,000 PE, and I have gone short in Bank Nifty, and my entry is at 447 rupees premium, and my target is 507, that is 60 points of my Bank Nifty, and my stop loss is 417, that is the last line, that is 30 points stop loss. So my target is already hit in just 1 minute, and the target I have kept is 60 points, and the stop loss I have kept is 30 points. So there you can see my 1:2 risk reward ratio, and I'm done for the day. So let me tell you now about the analysis of my trade. So as I planned before, the red candle, the huge red candle has broke the first candle low support, and the candles have been taking support on that blue color line which I have drawn, that is the low of the first candle of the day. So it has broken, and I have taken the entry, and my target was hit. So I'll be showing my trading journal of today, May 3rd. So my opening balance is 50,000, as I said you before, and the pattern or logic which I have done today of my trade is the breakout of the first candle low. So that logic I have used to do my trade today, and the profit I got is 6,000 rupees. Means I have traded for 4 lots of Bank Nifty, and I have kept 60 points as a target. So 100 into 60, 6,000 rupees I have got the profit. And the comments I have written today is just waiting patiently for the high probability trade. Always you need not write mistakes only in the comments. You can write the plus points of yours also, which you can which it will be used for you to gain more confidence for taking up your trades. So this is my trading journal, and let's go to the final step of this video, the tip of the day. So today's tip of the day is stock market success is all about these 3 M's: method, money management, and mindset. So this tip of the day I have read from the book How to Make Money in Intraday Trading by Ashwini Gujral. So this is a very good book for all the beginners, and I'll just explain you the 3 M's. So the first one is method. You should always develop some precise methods to trade. There should be some logic or method behind your entry trade. And because trading is not gambling, so there should be some logic. And the second one is money management. You should analyze the risk before taking any entry, not the reward. So one who tries to manage the risk or money properly only can win the markets, because successful money management is one of the aspects that separates the winners from losers. And the third one is mindset. So manage your trade overall account size and manage your mind during the entire journey of your trades. So for day traders, there are times you have to show your raw guts, and there are times you have to be wise and lie low. So that's all for today, guys, and thank you for listening my first analysis of the video, and I'll keep posting these videos daily. And if you like my trading style, you also can just try it for a month and see the results yourself. So thank you.